Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of LBA of chapter real number for class 10th. So in my previous video we have completed till question number 37. Now let us start question number 38. If the HCF of 306 and 657 is 9, then find the LCM of 306 and 657. Here they have given question number 38. They have given HCF of 306 and 657 is 9, and they're asking us to find the LCM of these two number. Okay, let us write given two number as A and B. Now we know that LCM into HCF is equals to A into B, that is product of two numbers, given numbers. Now they have told us to find LCM, so I'll write LCM is equals to A into B by HCF. Now they have given A, I have considered 306, into B 657, upon HCF is nothing but 9. So now let us cancel. 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63. So 63 means here 2 remains, 9 threes are 27. So answer is 306 into 73. If we multiply this, we get 22,338. So we know easily how to multiply. So the answer is LCM of these two number is 22,338. Let us see question number 39. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number. Justify this statement. They are saying this is composite number. We have to prove how. Okay, 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number. They are asking, let us see how it is composite number. We can see 13 is common here, so I'll take 13 common. 7 into 11 into 13 I have already taken common, so into 1, plus 13 I have taken common, so nothing means 1. 13 as it is will keep. 7 11 sevens are 77, 77 ones are 77, plus 1, so 13 into 78. Let us find the prime factors of 78. 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and 13 1s are 13. So now here 13 into what is the prime factor we got? 2 into 3 into 13. So these are the product of primes. They are product of primes, and product of primes are nothing but composite numbers. We know that product of primes are composite number. Therefore 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is composite number, because we got the product of prime. These all are prime numbers. Let us see question number 40. Question number 40. If the LCM of 91 and 26 is 182, then find the HCF. Same like just now we have done, same question. They have told if the LCM of, okay, the LCM of 91 and 26 is 182, find HCF. Okay, same like previous just now we have done, same way we have to do. Let us consider this as A and this as B. So I'll take, we know that LCM into HCF is equals to A into B. So they have told us to find HCF now. HCF is equals to A into B by LCM. A into B is 91 into 26 upon 182. Now let us see. It will go in two table. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. 2 9s are 18. 2 1s are 2. So 91 and 91 get cancelled. We got answer 13. Therefore we got HCF is nothing but 13. Let us see question number 41. These are very important for board examination, LBA question. Question number 41. What is composite number? Which is composite number among 23 and 24? Okay, let us write the definition for composite number. We all know what is composite number, but still we will write one time. A number which can be expressed as two or more factors is known as composite number. And they are asking 23 among 23 and 24 which is composite number. We know 23 is a prime number, therefore 24 is composite number, because composite number here 24 have more than two factors. Let us see the next question. Question number 42. Find the largest number that divides 438 and 606 without leaving any remainder. So here they have asked which is the largest number. So largest is here HCF, highest prime factor we should find. Let us find first factors of 438 and 606. So let us start with a small prime factor. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. Now we know it is a odd number, so it will not go in 2 table. So let us check whether it will go in 3 table. To check 3 table, we should add the digits. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So 12 comes in 3 table, so it will go in 3 table. 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9. And we all know that 73 is a prime number, so 73 1s are 73. So factors of 438 is nothing but 2 into 3 into 73. Let us see now 606. Last number is even, so it will go in 2 table. So 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 3s are 6. Now by seeing only we know that this will come in 3 table. So 3 1s are 3, 0, 3 1s are 3. And we all know that 101 is a prime number. So 101 1s are 101. So 606 factors are 2 into 3 into 101. So HCF is here. We can see this is common and this is common. So 2 and 3 is HCF. That is 2 3s are 6. So we can write therefore 6 is the, what they have asked, which is the largest number that divides 438 and 606. 6 is the largest number. We can write 6 is the largest number which divide 438 and 606. So this we have completed question number till question number 42. In my next video, I am coming up with the question number 43. Do like and share. Thank you.